In Bayes theorem, hi everyone. In Bayes theorem, the next problem is one big problem, one big situation is given. I'll read the problem. Everybody read the problem once or twice or thrice and try to understand the problem, what is given and what we have to find out. A bolt factory, in a bolt factory, ABC machines ABC manufactures 20%, 30%, 40% of the total output respectively. Out of their outputs, 5%, 4%, 2% respectively are defective bolts. A bolt is drawn at random. A bolt is drawn at random from the product and found to be defective. What are the probabilities that it manufactured by machines A, B and C? Now here E1, E2, E3, if you assume the bolt selected at random manufactured by machine A, B, C. We will assume machine A is producing 25%, machine B producing 30%, machine C producing 40% of total output. Now the same way we are assuming here already ABC is given. That's why let A1, A2, A3 respectively denote the events that a bolt selected at random is manufactured by machines A, B and C. Therefore, P of A1 is equal to how much? P of A2 is equal to how much? P of A3. P of A1 is 25%. P of A2 30%. A3 40%. From machine A 25%, machine B 30%, machine C 40%. That means 25 by 100, 30 by 100, 40 by 100. 0.25, 0.30, 0.40. Now let B be the event. Let B denote the event that the bolt is defective. Event that the is defective. The bolt is defective. Then P of B by E1. Already we are finding the probability of B. Already A1 B by A1. Already that the A1 P of A1 means machine A manufacturing 25%. B by A1 probability of the conditional probability of B after the happening of an event A1 is equal to how much? 0.5%. P of B by A2 is equal to 4%, is equal to 4 by 100. P of B by A3 is equal to 2%, that is equal to 2 by 100. Out of their outputs, 5%, 4%, 2% are respectively are defective. B denote the event that the bolt is defective. B by A1, 5%, 4%, 2%. Now we will find the total. We will find the total probability first. the total is equal to P of A1 into P of B by A1 plus P of A2 into P of B by A2 plus P of A3 into P of B by A3. That is equal to how much you will get? P of A1 is 25 by 100 into 5 by 100 plus 30 by 100 into 4 by 100 plus P of plus 40 by 100 into 2 by 100. That is equal to, if you simplify, 0.0345 you will get. This is the denominator value. Now what we have to find? A bolt is drawn at random from the product and found to be defective. What are the probabilities that it was manufactured by machines A, B and C? Now that means from 3 machines, that means we have to find all the probability that defective bolt is manufactured by machine A. Machine A is equal to P of A1 by B is equal to P of A1 into P of B by A1 by sigma I is equal to 1 to 3 P of AI into P of B by AI. Denominator is 0.0345. P of A1 is equal to 25 by 100 into B by A1 is 5 by 100. If you simplify, you will get 0.3623. In the same way, this is a defective bolt manufactured by machine A. In the same way, P of A2 by B. In the same way, P of A3 by B. Also we can find in the same way. P of A2 into P of B by A2 by sigma P of AI into P of B by AI. P of A3 into P of B by A3 by sigma P of AI into P of B by AI. That is equal to, if you simplify, how much you will get? Substitute the values, you will get like this. The next problem is, an urn contains 5 balls. An urn contains 5 balls. 2 balls are drawn and found to be white. Read the question. 2 balls are drawn and are found to be white. Found to be white. What is the probability of all the balls being white? Read the question, what is given and what we have to find. Find out. First, think little bit. Here, the urn contains 5 balls. 2 balls are drawn. The urn may contain 2 white balls or 3 white balls or 4 white balls or 5 white balls. Right on. The urn may contain 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 white balls. Let A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5, A1, A2, A3, A4 be defined as follows. See, first urn, second urn, third urn and fourth urn. Two white, three other color. Three white, two other color. Four white, one other color. Five white, other color 0. An urn contains 5 balls. 2 balls are drawn at random and found to be white. What is the probability that all the balls being white? W, white ball. O, other color ball. Now, this is P of A3 is equal to 1 by 4. Why I am writing like this? One, two, three, 4. 2 balls are drawing. An urn contains 5 balls. 2 balls are drawn at random and found to be white. What is the probability of all balls being white? See, in how many ways we can do? We can do this one in 4 ways. Out of 4 ways, we can select one urn in 1 by 4 ways. Out of 4 ways, we can select one urn in 1 by 4 ways. And let B be the event of selecting 2 white balls. P of B by A1. P of B by A1 is equal to, see the first urn, P of B by A1. A1 urn, A2 urn, A3 urn, A4 urn. How many white balls are there? 2 white balls are there. Selecting 2 white balls. 2C2 by, total is 5C2 is equal to 1 by 10. P of B by A2 is equal to 3C2 by 5C2 is equal to 3 by 10. P of B by A3. B by A3, 4C2 by 5C2 is equal to 6 by 10. P of B by A4 is equal to A4, 5C2 by 5C2 is equal to 1. By Bayes theorem, P of, what we have to find? A4 by B. Why A4 by B? Find the probability that all the balls being white. All balls being white is 5 to 0 other color. That means urn A4. That's why P of A4 by B is equal to P of A4 into P of B by A4 by sigma I is equal to 1 to 4 P of AI into P of B by AI. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by the denominator is 1 by 4 into 1 by 10 plus 3 by 10 plus 6 by 10 plus 1. If you simplify this one, you will get 1 by 2. Probability of all balls being white is equal to 1 by 2. Thank you very much.